Gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The show starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hi and have a good day, doctor. I am Jivita, daughter of Ramakrishnan, and my metric number is A18A0191. Today I would like to present about AutoZone. AutoZone, located on a bluff along the Mississippi River in Memphis' celebrated cotton district, the AutoZone headquarters established a dynamic corporate image amid its historic surroundings. AutoZone operated at United States, Mexico, and Brazil. The branches at United States is 5,885, in Mexico 621 branches, and in Brazil 43 branches. The owner of AutoZone is Joseph Reeves Height. Joseph Reeves Height, known as P.T. Height, is an American entrepreneur in Memphis, Tennessee. He is best known for founding AutoZone as spin-off of his family's grocery business Mellon and Height in 1979. Originally a division of Memphis-based wholesale grocer Mellon and Height, the company was known as AutoShake. After the sale of the grocery operation to the Fleming Companies of Oklahoma City, the name of the company was changed to AutoZone to reflect the new focus and to settle a lawsuit brought by Tandy Corporation for infringing on Tandy's Radio Shack trademark. On July 4, 1979, the first store opened in Forest City. AutoZone is an American retailer of aftermarket automotive parts and accessories, the largest in the United States. The automotive aftermarket is the secondary market of automotive industry concerned with the manufacturing, remanufacturing, distribution, retailing, and installation of all vehicle parts. The parts, accessories, etc. for sale may not be manufactured by the OEM. According to a report by the International Trade Administration in Department of Commerce, aftermarket parts are divided into two categories: replacement parts and accessories. AutoZone have vast opportunity in their stores, distribution centers, field offices, specialty business units, and store support center, and embrace diverse experience, backgrounds, knowledge, and ideas to strengthen their teams and business. This is the criteria that AutoZone used in choosing country to operate. AutoZone is not operate in Malaysia. This is because sales and margins will be impacted is difficult to model. Naturally, keeping stores running is beneficial to the top line, but as road traffic temporarily weathered due to mass closures. My opinion on AutoZone performance in the near future is reported better than expected fiscal fourth quarter result as demand for auto parts improved in the coronavirus market. AutoZone stock initially rose but reversed to close lower. They will be better because AutoZone is a leading automotive part retailer and leading distributor of automotive replacement parts and accessories.
Did you know AutoZone is the largest wholly owned chain of auto parts and auto spares stores in sub-Sahara Africa, with over 250 stores nationwide. AutoZone stocks a massive range of leading brands as well as premium brands for auto parts, accessories, additives, car audio products, car care products, tools, toolboxes, as well as garage equipment. For more information, log on to autozone.co.za.
That's all from me. Thank you, doctor. See you again.